Transgrid is progressing planning for HumeLink, 360 kilometres of new overhead transmission lines connecting Wagga Wagga, Bannaby and Mooragle. The project requires approval from the New South Wales and Commonwealth governments. As part of the planning approval process, Transgrid is preparing an Environmental Impact Statement or EIS. An EIS evaluates the project's potential impacts on specific topics. One of these is noise and vibration, and its impacts within a 2-kilometre buffer of the project footprint. The assessment identifies people, places and structures that are likely to be sensitive to noise and vibration. These are referred to as sensitive receivers. Sensitive receivers include homes, schools, hospitals, places of worship and recreational areas. We monitor noise at selected locations to measure existing conditions, focusing on areas with potential long-term construction activity. We measure the noise levels heard on a typical day and at different times during the day, in the evening and at night. This is referred to as background noise. The noise levels that are acceptable to receivers are determined based on the background noise levels and according to the relevant noise guideline. These are known as noise management levels. We identify noisy activities expected during construction of the project and carry out modelling to predict construction noise impacts. This helps us understand what the noise and vibration impacts might be for those likely to be affected. We consider noise and vibration that can be expected from construction equipment and consider noise that will be created by construction traffic. Construction activities that are likely to cause noise and vibration impacts are site establishment, which involves clearing vegetation, earthwork, setting up construction compounds and building temporary worker accommodation, construction of transmission towers and lines, which involves drilling, steel fabrication and assembling transmission towers with cranes and other heavy vehicles, construction of a new substation, which involves earthworks, installation of reinforced concrete and piled foundations and electrical equipment. Vibration impacts are likely to be felt during certain construction activities such as drilling in close proximity to sensitive receivers. By understanding the potential noise and vibration levels, we can plan to manage or minimise them. To help manage construction noise, we consider a number of factors such as work hours, the noise levels of equipment and design elements of construction sites, such as the installation of noise barriers. Most construction is planned during the day, between 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. Monday to Friday and 8 a.m. until 1 p.m. on Saturday. At times, work will need to be completed outside of these hours, such as weekends, night work, or on public holidays. Any impacted residents will be notified and appropriate procedures will be followed. The Construction Environmental Management Plan (CEMP) will detail the strategies that will be implemented to minimise construction noise and vibration impacts. Potential noise and vibration impacts during operation include audible noise and substation noise. During light rain or misty weather conditions, some noise is heard at some sensitive receivers. This noise is typically a crackling noise and referred to as audible noise or corona noise. To reduce this noise, large, smooth, rounded rings called corona rings are installed. Noise is expected from the equipment at the new Gugar substation. Noise levels will be minimised through design, positioning and choice of equipment. During the detailed design phase, the construction of transmission towers are confirmed along with more information about associated noise impacts. The project team will continue to work with impacted landowners on how we plan to manage these impacts on a case-by-case basis. If you have any questions, please reach out to the project team.